Tiana and the Enchanted Holiday Feast. Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom far away, there lived a talented chef named Tiana. Tiana was known throughout the land for her delicious cooking and her warm hospitality. Every year, she would host a grand holiday feast for all of her friends and family, where she would cook up a feast fit for a king. As the holiday season approached, Tiana began preparing for her annual feast. She spent hours in the kitchen, chopping vegetables, marinating meats, and simmering sauces. As she reached for a jar of spices on the shelf, she noticed something strange. One of the jars was glowing faintly. Curious, Tiana picked up the jar and examined it closely. It was a beautiful jar, made of shimmering glass, with a label that read, "Enchanting Spice." Tiana had never seen anything like it before, but she decided to add a pinch of the spice to her stew, just to see what would happen. As soon as the spice hit the hot liquid, a magical aroma filled the air. Tiana's guests gasped in delight as the scent wafted through the room, making their mouths water with anticipation. They eagerly dug into the stew, savoring every bite. But as the meal went on, Tiana noticed something strange happening to her guests. They began speaking in riddles and acting strangely, as if they were under some kind of spell. Tiana knew that something was wrong, and she realized that the glowing spice jar was cursed. In a panic, she turned to her friend Naveen for help. Naveen, a charming prince who had been transformed into a frog by a wicked sorceress, was always ready to lend a hand in times of trouble. Together, they set out to find the antidote to the curse. Tiana and Naveen searched high and low, asking every wise old wizard and magical creature they could find for help. Finally, they learned that the only way to lift the curse was to find a rare herb that grew only in the bayou under the light of the full moon. With determination in their hearts, Tiana and Naveen set out into the dark, mysterious bayou. They navigated through tangled vines and murky waters, guided only by the faint light of the moon and the sound of chirping crickets. As they searched, they encountered mischievous fireflies who tried to lead them astray. But Tiana and Naveen were clever and quick-witted, and they were able to outsmart the fireflies at every turn. Finally, after many twists and turns, they stumbled upon a small clearing where the rare herb was growing. Tiana carefully plucked the herb from the ground, holding it up to the moonlight to catch its silvery glow. With the antidote in hand, Tiana and Naveen hurried back to the kingdom, where they sprinkled the herb into a pot of boiling water. As the steam rose into the air, the curse slowly began to lift, and Tiana's guests returned to their normal selves. The holiday feast continued on into the night, with laughter and cheer filling the air. Tiana and Naveen shared a knowing smile, grateful for their friendship and the adventures they had shared. And as the moon shone down on the kingdom, casting a soft, gentle light over the land, Tiana knew that she had faced a great challenge and emerged victorious, ready to take on whatever magical surprises the future held.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.